Welcome, Vic Alemania, Sales Manager, Mennonite Aid Plan, Mennonite Insurance Services. I hope this message finds you and your family well and safe. I'm going to take a few moments to review coinsurance as it relates to property and casualty insurance, which is completely different than coinsurance as it relates to your medical or your health insurance. Coinsurance as it relates to property and casualty insurance is referring to replacement costs on the property, the building, or your home. And generally what you will see would be limits of 80%. However, you might see limits of 90 and possibly even 100%. In our example today, we're going to be using a replacement cost of $1 million with the 80% coinsurance limit. So that equates to $800,000, meaning that you must insure for at least $800,000. Now, coinsurance comes into play on total and partial claims. In our example here, a claims adjuster would use the calculation of did over should, meaning that if you decided to insure for less than $800,000, in our example here, we'll say $600. Or 75%. So in a partial claim, let's say it's $100,000 and you are only insured to 75%. The claims adjuster would use the did over should, and all the insurance carrier would pay would be $75,000. So you, the insured, would be responsible for the $25,000. So I ask that you please review your insurance policies and contracts for coinsurance limits and clauses. And I ask you to give us a call at 559-638-2327. Please visit our website, MennoniteInsurance.com. I wish you and your family to be well and safe. Peace to all. Bye for now.